Hi, and welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. Well, makeup is a passion, and so is fashion. Today, I'm showing you a very small handbag haul that I made, and let's start off with the Ted Baker bag. I've been wanting a Ted Baker bag for the longest, and I've always found every excuse in the world as why not to get one. And then one day, this puppy went on sale, and it went on sale for $35, brand new. Unheard of, right? Right. And I knew then I had to have it. But I didn't stop at just $35. I said to the seller, can you give it to me for $30? Then they'd already put it on sale for 35. And I'm asking 30. And I thought they're gonna think this girl is crazy. Why should I give it to her for $30 and I just discounted it all the way to $35 for sale? Well, you know what they said? Sure, with $10 shipping. I was stoic. And I said, consider it sold. And this is what it looks like. So my very first Ted Baker handbag, after spotting this for the first time 5 years ago, finally took back, bit the bullet, and bought one. And this is what it looks like. Very first time. Isn't it gorgeous? And I have a thing for flowered handbags for some reason. This is what it looks like in the inside. You see it has pocket for the cell phone. And I always consider this a pen or pencil pocket. So I don't know what this pocket actually is for, but that's what I consider it. So cell phone pocket, pen pocket. Just there's even more pockets. Okay. And the regular change pocket works just fine. Kind of stiff, real stiff. Alright, this is what it looks like. Okay. Flowered in the inside as well. This is a very pretty bag. I like it. $30. Discounted all the way to 35. Asked for a $5 discount even further. Gave it to me. Got it for $30. This is $100 and something handbag. And I discounted got them to discount it even more so. I just knew they were gonna think I was crazy. They didn't. And they gave it to me at an even further discount. So happy about that. See? Okay. $175 handbag. They got it for $89. Discounted it to me for $35 and then for another $5 for $30. Ha ha ha. So happy. Okay. Now here's the bag. I'm not really off into tiny, teeny tiny handbags. But I decided I wanted one. Because the summer's coming up and I plan on doing a little bit of traveling here and there. Even though I probably can't walk at all. But I plan on doing a little bit of traveling, going to see family. And so I want something that can cross-body my body, something small where I don't have to worry about it too much. I can just put a credit card or two off into it. And so I have been watching this bag for about 2 years. And they never would drop the price. They just kept having it there and it sat there for 2 years, almost 3 or 2.5 years. And so one day, I just finally texted them. And I said, I would like to buy this bag off of you, and this is the amount that I would like to buy it off of you for. I can't remember how much it was asking for. I'm just gonna give an example. I think it was they wanted $70 for it, and I said I will give you $37 for this handbag. And next thing you know, they took my offer, and I was getting it. It was being shipped out to me, so I paid way less than what they was asking for it. Let's see if I can zip it. As you see, it's really tiny. Okay. I wonder if it has any pockets. I haven't really examined it that greatly. I just made sure it wasn't missing or any rhinestones on the outside. Let's see. Can't really see up into it that well. There's no pockets. And this side look a little money side. And I'm gonna buy me some jewelry to match it. So I'm already trying to I'm looking at some jewelry online. Some costume jewelry that is. With dollar signs on it that's gonna match this very well. So I'll be matching on my trip, my little vacation with this in tow. Now I was thinking about giving this away once I wear it. I think I'm gonna keep it. I did watch it for too long just to give it away. But I like this teeny tiny bag. And I usually don't carry teeny tiny bags. The teeny tiny bag that came close to this, I gave it to my niece after getting it, and cause I was like, that is just too small. So I said like, Janae, do you want this bag? And she was like, yes. I said, what are you gonna do with something that small? Should I put my cash in it while I'm at a concert or while I'm going to a club? And I went ding 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 inside my head. That would be something nice if I'm like at the mall or something, and I don't want a big bag hanging off of me. I just want to be relaxed, like as a pocket swap. Just all you need is cash and maybe debit card for gas, getting there and leaving there. But all you need is cash off in it because everything at the flea market, all you have to do is pay cash, so you really don't need too much of anything. Yeah, this is a very good idea. She said it right. So I was like, let me try that idea one more time. All right. So this football, rhinestone handbag, I had been looking at for the longest, for a year and a half. I already had the pink, and I think I had the black and gold. If not the black and gold, I think I had the green one. I can't be for sure, but I know if I don't have the black and no, I don't have the black and gold. I think I want the black and gold after this. I do have the pink one for sure. So I want one more and then I'm done. So I wanted this one as well, and it came up for sale. I don't remember how much it was on sale for, and I do not remember how much I paid for it. Yes, I do. I remember. I paid. They wanted 79. I paid I think 47 also for this. I was able to talk them down. But this is how it looks. What do they say? Hike, hip. What's that word for when they throw it into the not goalie, but the quarterback? Hike one, hike two. What is it? I don't follow football, but I like this football. Get it? Alright, so this is how it looks on the outside. Both sides. Underneath. The inside. Blue on the inside as well. Satin laced to the strap. This come with extra rhinestone? Not seeing any. Guess not. Alright. I do believe this is a design by a particular designer. Let me see if I can find the name. There we go. It is Lorraine. Never heard of her until I bought this. She makes a good handbag. I'll show you I'm liking this one. This is really cute. I do believe this has some flaws though, but I bought it as is. I'm not seeing them right off. So let me look. Alright, if I can't see it by camera, then it's pretty good. Alright, so that's my little handbag haul. Isn't he nice? Recap on him. Ted Baker. Little money bag. You got it in green. My little 3 handbags that I bought as a present to me. Okay, well, it depends on when you're watching this. You have a good morning, good afternoon, good night. God bless. Bye.